guys, what's up? It's Pixie. So today I'm gonna be sharing how to make your own vanity mirror. So the first thing that you need in this DIY is the vanity mirror lights. So I got one from Shopee. There it says vanity mirror lights. Tapos it looks like this inside. Medyo magulo na siya kasi na-open ko na to. So, parang siyang USB port. Tapos, kailangan mo yung parang charger adapter para ma-light up siya. And then, it comes with a pack of stickers. Adhesive for the light bulbs. Ayan. So, I'm gonna be sharing how I DIY my vanity mirror kasi actually, I don't really use my parang big mirror kasi masyado siyang malayo for me. And malabo kasi yung mata ko. So, what I usually use is this one. Kaya hindi rin ako nag-invest sa vanity mirror kasi hindi ko naman siya magagamit. And I don't see the sense of paying too much for something that you wouldn't use. So, I decided to make my own. So, ito na nga siya. It has 10 bulbs inside. So, I'm gonna show you the setup muna on my vanity space, whatever. Yan. So, as you can see, yung mirror ko, parang mga rattan lights lang siya. DIY ko lang din. Nilagay ko lang yan around the frame ng mirror. And then, yan. Yan yung mga stuff ko sa desk. So, this is what it looks like from afar. I-remove lang natin to. And yeah, let's go! Okay, so the things that we are going to need are these light bulbs. And that's it. Kasi yung may adhesive naman dito sa box that it comes with. This product is around 500 pesos, I guess. Like 490 something ko lang to nakuha. I'll leave the links down below so you can purchase it too. Tapos, dito kasi, meron siyang, yan, here, meron siyang mga slots where you can adjust the wire. So, pwede here, pwede mo siyang iganyan, like so, and then pwede mo rin siyang iikot here. So, as you can see, dito siya nakalabas, right? Pwede mo siyang iikutin, tapos, ilagay dito. Tada! So, naikot na siya. Diba? So, dito rin. Itong side na rin to. Pwede mo siyang i-turn to whatever side you prefer para medyo ma-hide natin yung wire. First step is to remove these things. So, parang ganito yung magiging distribution of lights. Yan. Kasi 10 bulbs yung meron tayo. So, ganyan na lang yung gagawin natin. So, isa-start ko lang yung first bulb na may wire dito sa may side para tago and dire-diretso siya. Since ganito siya, tapos, diba, initially ganito yung wire. Nakaganyan siya. Pwede natin siyang itago pa right. So, hindi na siya dito sa slot na to. Instead, dito na siya sa may right side. And ganun din yung gagawin ko sa next na katabi nitong lights na to. Dito sa right side of the mirror. I think we need to add the adhesives na. Okay, so let's put on the bulbs first, tapos let's fix the wires after. Kasi mas mahirap pag tinix yung wire muna eh. these wires na sa side. And then, dito na lang. So, I'll show you. Yan, diba? May extra wire here. Gagawin lang natin is iikutin to para hindi na siya makita. So, tanggalin ko yung bulb. Actually, natanggal tong bulb. There, natanggal ko na siya. And then, putin ko lang siya like this. You can see, inikot ko lang yung wire sa may gilid ng bulb. And then, nilalabas ko lang ulit yung wire dito sa may gilid. So, ipupush ko lang siya. Tapos, balik yung bulb. There. So, ayan. Na-hide na natin yung mga wires sa may left side, sa may gilid. Ito naman sa may right side. So, meron ako ditong adapter for the wire. This one. Para makita natin siya. Just plug it in. So, you can see it turned blue. Tapos, press na. Wow! Nice! It's so nice. Na-adjust pa siya. Hinaan. Ayun yung pinakamahina. Pwede rin siya nakasan. Ayun yung brightest. So, tayo sa mahina. Final results of our DIY. It's so nice and it's 500 pesos lang. So I think you will never go wrong with this. Okay guys, so if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching! Bye!